Hey guys, I want to do a special review on this Govee TV backlight set that I got. Now, I'm excited about this because this is going to give an interactive experience all around your TV. When you have this on, it comes with these strips that go behind your TV, and it has a camera that will be mounted on top and it will point down, which is barely even noticeable. When you have a movie going on, and it gives you an interactive experience, so depending on the colors and action that's going on your TV, it's going to give you an interactive experience all around your TV. So this is something really amazing, really cool, and I'm excited to show you exactly what this does. Let me show you real quick what's in the box, and then I'm going to install this and give you a full demonstration. All right, so let's check out what's inside the package. And of course, we got the instruction manual. So I definitely would suggest taking a look at that. You got a little thank you card. Now this is the LED strip lights. This is what's going to wrap around the back of your television. You can even use a computer monitor if you wanted to. And then inside of here, and you got these foam stickers. All right, so this is the actual camera that would be mounted on the top of your television. And this is what controls the lighting effects. All right, this is your control box or your control module. This is where everything is going to plug into, as you can see. Then you got your wall plug-in that provides power. You got a couple of alcohol wipes, which is really good for doing your prep work. And then you got all these little accessories. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed this up, and I'm actually going to go and install all of this, and I'm going to show you what the final product looks like. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so as you can see, I've got everything set up, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you exactly what this looks like. All right, so check this out. We've got the camera right here on top. What it's doing, it's reading all of the color spectrums that are currently on the screen here. And what it's doing is it's matching a lot of the colors that you're seeing. Now I want you to check this out. Now I just pulled up a menu on this game, and look at this. You see how it changed? And so we got a lot of oranges, reds, a little bit of pinks, and what it's doing, it's providing a more interactive experience. So as you're watching a movie or as you're playing a game, what it's doing is actually just matching everything that's on screen, and what it's doing, it's giving you a very interactive experience. So I gotta say, this is pretty amazing. All right, so watch as I go through and play this game. Now pay attention to all of the different colors that we're seeing, and as the scenes in the game changes, the colors that are surrounding the back of the TV are also going to change. And as you can see, it's pretty amazing. It kind of gives you the feeling that you're actually more immersed inside of the game. That's why I love this so much. And like when I pull up this menu, see how everything changes? And we can go through. So as you can see, this is actually pretty amazing. So I've got to say, after testing this out and going through and just seeing how amazing this looks, this is definitely something that I would highly recommend. Very simple, very easy to set up. You just simply put all of the string lights that go behind the TV. Now this is a 60-inch TV. Make sure that your television is compatible. This one currently is 55 to 65-inch TVs, but they also have other sizes as well. So make sure that if you have like a 70-inch TV, that you get the 70-inch version. It might be, 65 to 75 inches. So you want to make sure you get the right one. And the link to this product that is in the description below, all you have to do is click it, go to the page, and then select your screen size. So definitely highly recommend picking this up. What I wanted to do in this video is just give you a very in-depth review, give you an interactive kind of demonstration so you can see exactly what this thing can do. I bought this personally for myself to be able to use for our family, inside of our game room, to be able to watch TV, watch movies, and play games. And also for my product recommendation business as an influencer, I love to do product reviews and test different tech. And what I want to do is I want to be able to use this kind of as a background for some of my videos, and I want it to look much more professional. And I could definitely say after testing this out, I definitely love this product, and I will be using it in many videos to come. So if you want to see more product recommendations, more product review videos where I show off different home products, different tech products, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.